tell us what you did before Colaberry and how did you hear about Colaberry?
Yes, it was completely unrelated. I worked in sales for about 10 years. I sold all kinds of things like expensive coats, lingerie. I sold artwork. I worked at Neiman Marcus here in Dallas. And, working in sales, it's like feast or famine. And I got tired of that roller coaster ride. And then I really heard about Colaberry from my mom's coworker's daughter. It was like such a random like train of communication. And she told me about it, let's say on Monday. By Tuesday, I had signed up for Colaberry. Like I was like, yep, this is it. We're going for it.
And how was that road going through Colaberry for you? Because we all know it's challenging. Like, did you want to quit at some point? Like, how did you cope with going through the program?
It was definitely challenging, especially since I really didn't have any tech experience or any IT experience whatsoever. I think for me, it was really hard because the last time I coded was on my MySpace page. So it was really difficult. But I could see like the light at the end of the tunnel. I think because the chapters are broken up in such a way, once you sort of grasp, chapter 5, then you kind of digest that information and you move on to chapter 6, and it's a new bit of information. So I just took it step by step in such a way that it wasn't too overwhelming. And I took detailed notes on every single step of the way, so I could always go back and reference it. And I have like a huge note sheet of just like all the codes, all the different SQL codes that have accumulated throughout Colaberry. So it was hard, but you just have to be determined and just push through. Anything in life that's easy is probably not that good. So you have to work for the good stuff that's hard.